Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of Samsung Galaxy A53 versus A54. So let's see the detail of in-hand feel. Let's see the detail of camera comparison. Let's start with Samsung Galaxy A53. Its primary camera have 64 megapixel in ultra-wide, also 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 or micro camera of 5 megapixel and depth camera of 5 megapixel aperture 2.4. Let's talk about Galaxy A54 5G. Its also primary camera have 64 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra-wide 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 or micro camera 5 and depth also 5 megapixel. Let's talk about both the phone price. Galaxy A53 come around $34,414 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage, or Galaxy A54 come around $35,439 of 6GB RAM. Let's come on result. Galaxy A53 versus Galaxy A54. Design wise both the phone have similar design, display are good on both the phone, camera is better on Galaxy A54, hardware is also better on Galaxy A54, connectivity are same, charging are also same, and price is good on both the phone. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching our video.